His opponent across the cage, standing in the blue corner. He has a record of 0 wins and 2 losses. He weighed in at 155 pounds even, fighting out of Black Lion Studios in Henniger, Alabama. Give it up for Corey Perego! Your referee in charge for the Cage Promotions will be the Reverend Michael Bowe.
Both fighters are ready. You can see it in their demeanor.
Either way, they're both ready to go. You're about to see some fireworks coming off starting the AFC2 homecoming bout card.
Absolutely.
Touch of gloves, and here we go. The action with a knee.
Oh,
These guys aren't feeling it.
Throwing
Swinging
heat.
for the fence.
Oh my God, throwing some heat. Looks like Corey's feathering them, but let's see how they react. Let's see how they react.
Oh, throw a wild haymaker.
Oh my God. And they're just throwing. They definitely love. They love to fight. They were not lying. They were not lying. They were not lying when they said they love to fight.
And Bud Cook have an opportunity for a guillotine there, and choosing to sprawl here on Perego's shot.
Looks like he is going for a sprawl, but it looks like he's also trying to work the guillotine. The big takedown right there.
He does have the guillotine locked in, but his arm's in there. Perego's getting squeezed right now. And,
I mean that's a tight choke.
It
just depends on how. It just depends on how long he can hold on to that. You know, eventually your arms are going to get tired. But God, this is tight. He's pushing it. Okay, he pushed out. Let's see if Bud can stand up from here. But it looks like Corey's going to try to get full mount. Bud is stuck. Oh God, boys.
Bud's like Bud's here. He took his back. Perego took his back and he's teeing off.
Bud's going to have to stand up. Bud's going to have to stand up or this is going to be over. Oh, and it's over.
And steps in here.
There's fireworks coming out of the gate for Corey Perego. Congratulations to that winner there on a fantastic